Wow, I got that.
That is beautiful.
Nice. I got that one too. Yeah, I got that one too. I like the up and down ones. They show up good on this.
Yeah. Little short ones.
Yeah, there that was like a little spark. Nice. Oh, I got them. It's all flashing way down by McAdoo now. Oh, of course, yeah, I had the camera in the wrong spot.
Over here. It's right in the
Yeah, so did I. Of course, my camera was not pointing in that direction.
You should like take a step back and you'll have like a broader horizon.
No, I'd have to be standing on the roof.
Look at those colors coming out on those trees now.
Yeah.
Down there, right over the interstate, man.
Unfortunately, the lightning is faster than my hand is. I think it's just about done. Yeah, yeah, as I say that, you know what, I'm pointing at the tree. No, it's not going to do it.
That's clearing out over there now. It's going down.
Nice, I got that one.
You did.
I think I did. My eyes go, and the lightning's quicker than I can do that too.
You're not running it while it's not moving.
Huh?
You're not running it while you're not taking it, are you?
What do you mean?
It's not on now.
It's on now, I'm recording. I have it on video. Yep, got that one.
When you were slow, you always just sit out here and watch it. Remember?
I know.